Yo, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be doing another welcome video for the channel. If you're new here and the first time you're stumbling across the channel, my name's Scott. I do technology videos, I do product reviews, and technology tutorials. I like to specialize a lot in doing like Xbox tutorials, but I have done other PC tutorials in the past as well. So if you guys have any frustrating issues going on with your technology, look no further than this channel, because I've done a gazillion videos on solving all these like buggy problems with your computer, laptop, phone, Xbox, all that good stuff. I've even done Fortnite tutorials in the past, and I also do a lot of product reviews. I've reviewed this laptop, Galaxy S9. I'm going to do a review on that. Headphones, workout headphones, Bose headphones, over-ear headphones. Do a ton of Xbox reviews as well. I've done video game reviews, and I also got this coming in the future too, projector review, which is kind of weird, but first time I'm doing it. So yeah, guys, if this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel and look forward to more amazing content in the future. And yeah, sounds good. See you guys in upcoming videos. Peace.